Black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your
Queens and Kings. So pretty much I'm giving you guys an overview because this is the first stage of us getting ready to make the sunroom, because that's what this is actually, but I have it as a dining room, but we're now about to change it into Andre bedroom. So this is pretty much stage one. You see it start to become collective of everything, but yeah. All right, y'all, so this is where we at now. We got everything out of here. I'm gonna enjoy this space, but I need a little bit more storage. We at, y'all. So the stage one. Look, Jesus. All right, yeah, so got the bed laid out. Much what I have so far for his room. Like I said, I get more curtains and stuff. I'm gonna order the bed and stuff and everything. So I put this back over here just so it can be some blockage, some support. Put his rug down, but it's pretty much what his shade's gonna be: the gray, the blue, and the white. In his room, a little pop of black. Hey Queens and Kings, sorry for the way that I look. I'm just doing an insert of pretty much doing Andre room, trying to bring it all together as one in one video. Pretty much that's what you guys are getting right now. But right now I'm going to show you all some items that I have picked up for his room. One of the items I'm actually very upset because I just opened the box today and realized that it is not the right comforter that my baby actually picked out. They sent me the wrong comforter and I can't send it back because it's too late for the send it back. The reason I didn't even open the box in because Andre was so just on top of me about, Mom, that box, what is that box, what is it? And I knew what was in the box, so I didn't want him to see exactly because I wasn't ready to put the comforter on his bed because I didn't really have everything. But I got this from Amazon, so I'm gonna have to go with this one here because he wanted his room to be black, blue, gold. I still can go with the colors, it's just not the comforter that I wanted in red, but we're just gonna have to go with this. So hopefully he does not be mad when he does see this. I'm gonna try to get his reaction. Anyway, so like I said, I got this comforter. It have a sheet set in it. It come with a pillowcase. So yeah, one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and one standard pillowcase, as well as the comforter. Now another thing I'm kind of disappointed in is actually this little LED 3D lamp illusion light. I thought it was gonna actually be at least the bigger size because you know how they show stuff on Amazon, and it's not. This is what it is. This is what it is, and it goes in here. You sit it in here and you sit it on top of the desk or whatever the case may be. I don't even remember what this was neither, but it does have a battery, not a battery, but a remote control to operate it and stuff like that. So I think he'll get a kick out of changing the lights and stuff on it, but I don't like that neither. I'm kind of disappointed on that too. I wish I just opened this stuff ahead of time. These here, I'm kind of disappointed, but not quite. I actually thought these was going to be bigger than this. So these are some pictures that I picked out according to the comforter that I thought that was in the box, which is more so because they have the black in it. They have this one and this one here, and of course Sonic. But they are pretty good pictures, but it's just not the size that I thought they was gonna be. I thought it was gonna actually be a little, probably about a little bit bigger, like about this size, because where I want to put them at, I was thinking of stacking them on the wall, placing them on the wall. Don't know. They was probably about no more than $15 for them though, so I'm not gonna send these back. We're just gonna find picture frames from the Dollar Tree and put them in, and that's gonna be that. And they're just gonna give me another illusion of like it's bigger than what it is. Speaking of the Dollar Tree, I actually found him a little trash can, this little cute little blue little trash can, and this is pretty much what's gonna be in his room for to hold his trash. And the last two things that I picked up from Amazon was these little lights here. These are lightning bolt lights. Another reason why I got blue, because these gonna light up blue, is because thinking the comforter was gonna be black and bring some of the blue in around the room to light it up or whatever. But I'm gonna put these on each side of the window. So what I did have in mind to do is each one of put one on each side of the window, because the way I got the bed set up, and put one down below it and one above it, so just to balance out the window on each side, like up in this area here. I have changed the room around several times, and I think it's gonna be the last look. The last thing I need to do for his room is his actually headboard, which you guys won't see that in the clip when he's coming home, because I'm gonna try to put this stuff up right before he get home. So yeah, because they about to get ready to come home around about 2 something, 3 o'clock they'll be home. So it's one something now, so I need to go ahead and finish up and go ahead and get this completed as much as I could, get completed as much as I could. So yeah, but once again, I said I had 2 of these. I think I said that, and these was like, what's the $10? I don't know, y'all, don't make me lie, but both of them light up blue. So I think he's gonna like it though. So I'm just trying to find another way to pull the black out in his room. Most likely I probably do his headboard black too as well. I think that's what I'm gonna do, and throw a black comforter or something in there, or not a comforter, but throw something just to pull some of the black out, because that's what he wants. Because I'm mad about that, but I can't do nothing about it, and I refuse to try to see, can I sell this to somebody else and try to get some dollars for it, because you know how people want something for nothing. So yeah, hopefully he don't be too mad about it. I just explain to him and he'll understand it, hopefully. But I just want to come on right now and show you guys this quick little haul of things that I have picked up for his room. So I see you guys in the next one. All right, Queens and Kings, so I have finished what I'm able to do today, because Andre getting ready to walk in the house within the next 5 minutes, because Jasmine going to walk down the road to go get him for school, and give you guys his reaction. Then I'll bring this video all in together, give you guys the full overview of the whole room. Oh, that's moving too. He loves surprises. He loves surprises. Yeah, it's a chaos out there right now. Okay, turn this way. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a room.
It's a new room. Oh my goodness. Do you like it?
Yes.
Well, look at there. You try to check everything out, huh? He's trying to check everything out, try to see how it is. Well, let me get out the way so you can check everything out. Hey, Queens and Kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So today is pretty much the day that I just give you guys a tour of Andre's room. Now his room is more like probably about 95% done, because there's at least 2 things that I do want to do in his room, which are DIYs. But if I keep waiting, I'm gonna keep on procrastinating. You guys will never get this video. So I basically want to show you all how Andre room look. He really love it. We love the way that it turned out. You guys want to see what I pretty much did with my sunroom that used to be my dining room. Once before, it was a sitting room. We lived on, well, I had one as a sitting room. We lived in a 4-bedroom, like it was the queen lounge. Like it'll have been this sunroom, you could pretty much turn it to anything you pretty much wanted to. So I decided to make it at my son's bedroom. So I pretty much turned a 2-bedroom into a 3-bedroom, which I will give you guys in a later video, a full house tour of how everything came together, since we don't been here a year now. So with that being said, let me go ahead and start rambling and show you guys Andre. All right, Queens and Kings, I want to pretty much give you guys an overview of it at nighttime, because that's pretty much how I am reviewing this room, where I've been giving you guys a tour pretty much. So because the kids are actually asleep, Andre is in my bed right now asleep, so I was like, let me take advantage of this before tomorrow and he messed it all up and everything. But I want to show you guys the room with just the lights off and his little blue lightning bolts, which I think is so cute. So illuminating his room a lot, as you all can see, and I don't have to worry about him turning on the light at nighttime, because I told him that would be his actually night light lamp. So Yeah, so let me turn the lights on and hopefully I don't blind you all. So y'all, that is Andre pretty much full room tour. I think I explained everything where all the items did come from, but I'll explain again real quick since I know we have a lot of queens and kings because we have made it to 8,000. Thank you guys so much. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate that. So keep on running the numbers up, keep on pushing the videos out, and let's keep going because we still on the road to 10,000. So first thing first, over here, this is actually our laundry room. Only time we do laundry is on Fridays. So when the kids come home from school, pretty much that's the time we do lunch. So that's some time that does run. So we ain't got to worry about interrupting the times that he's in his room watching TV or anything like that. So right now, this is going to be more of a surprise thing because I just did this tonight, put up his little artwork and stuff because, you know, he likes to draw. So he going to enjoy that. And hon, I know I done started something now because he going to want me to get more magnetic so he can put it on there. But oh well. So as you all see on each side of the bed, I have some pictures that I pretty much got from Amazon, as well as the lightning bolts. Those also came from Amazon. And I really do like them though, because like I said, you see how I illuminate the room. But these are all the characters that he likes and stuff in the Sonic movie. And you also see that I have put black curtains up here in his room because I don't know, did I tell you guys in the vlog, he said he wanted his room to pretty much be blue, black, and gold. And you know, with the little pops of red from the Sonic movie and everything. So this is pretty much how his room, how this side of the bed look. Now, I know a lot of you queens was concerned about him sleeping on this side of the window. But right now I have this big old canvas, blank canvas that I have sitting there right now, so that prevent him from rolling over to the window, which is one of the 5% of things that I need to do for his room. So I don't know if I want to purchase a bed or make him a day bed. Pretty much probably don't come all the way out here, just halfway, probably where the dressers and things sit at, which those dressers are from IKEA and we don't have them for years because you can tell how beat up they are. Now I do want to paint those black, but baby, I ain't in the mood right now, so we just gonna leave that as that. And besides, I don't want it to be too dark in here in his room. So yes, that's what prevented him from able to fall through the window, anything like that. Also his pillows and everything. So if I make up my mind if I'm gonna make the headboard or make or purchase a bed, so it's out of the two, depending on how I'm feeling, because y'all know I be having a lot going on. I do a lot in my life, so I have to find the time. But this is pretty much how his bed is. It is a twin size. His comforter came from Amazon. His throw pillows, his cover, all that came from Amazon. Yeah, everything on his bed pretty much came from Amazon. So this is that side of the room, which is my favorite side, of course. Now moving on over here on this side here. Now this is what I did for this area. Now this is what I was having a hard time with because I had to move this bed several times. When we first did the starting of his room, of course the bed was like this, how it is now. But after that, I put the bed on that wall there. I had that shelf laying down right there, but the reason I don't have it up there now like that is because the TV. That was my main thing when it came down to this room here. How was I gonna tune out the noise? And this is what worked best for me, which I took this cube out of my closet. You guys know I had, and I just bought those little buckets there. And that's where a lot of his storage of his toys and pretty much is all up in there. Because his clothes, his hang-up clothes, because I know one of you queens did ask that one time before, like, well, where do his hang-up clothes go? It's in his sister room, because Jasmine have a big walk-in closet, so therefore they share that closet there. So And the end dressers that's on each side of the bed is pretty much where his undergarment, his PJs, socks, t-shirts, and play clothes is pretty much his housing. But all this here is pretty much all his toys and stuff that's in there. Now, these bins here, I really want them to be black. So I may just buy some fabric to cover them black just so it can blend in with that there but it's not a big deal to me right now. Long as I don't have to see it. And right now it's doing it justice. But back to the noise. This here blocks out the noise from me pretty much hearing it in the front room. And I pretty much keep his TV at a certain volume, like probably 6 or 7, because you see the bed and TV right there. So it's very close, so he don't need it to be up that loud. And besides, more of the noise go towards the window other than coming out that way. So that helps out a whole lot. That, like, I was so happy when I thought about that because it was driving me crazy of doing that. So yeah, so also you see on this side here is pretty much where his book bag and his bigger toy is at, and so that's what pretty much using this wall for, like, storage to hang things up on. So that's working out. And we got his little trash can there. So yeah, and then up here on top of this IKEA storage bin, girl, I had to hit it just to remind myself, a lot of his other items that he like to play with, because he like to draw and stuff and all that stuff there. So I decided to put all that up. So that does help out tuning out the noise a whole lot, to the point that I don't have to hear it in the front room, because as you all can see, those are just curtains. That's it. Those curtains pretty much going along with the decor in the front room area. So right here is his bean bag. Pretty much he'll use it to sit down and watch TV sometime. And I do have my storage ottoman here, but this is going to move out because these actually pretty much going to be in here, because I do have 2 of them and things like that. So yeah, that bean bag got to go, honey. I'm so sick of it. It's just dirty it can be, child. But also to soften up his room, I have this rug here, little area rug from Walmart. So that's pretty much Andre room, y'all. This is pretty much how I made my sunroom into a 3rd bedroom for my son, so he can have his space and everything. And I think it turned out pretty good. It turned out pretty good. Oh, the other 5% of what I want to do is pretty much a lampshade up there for him. Other than that, I think that's going to be it, queens and kings, what I'm going to do for Andre over here. I'm not going to put any lamps or nothing like that, because I don't want to crowd it up too much, because he does use the areas for, like, to draw on or something, or put something down over there. But that's pretty much it, queens and kings. His TV is from Walmart. And I think that's about it. I did tell you guys the curtains from Amazon, didn't I? I think so. But yeah, that is it, queens and kings. So I hope you guys enjoy Andre room makeover. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you got any type of ideas, please let me know down in the comment section, because I know I had told my best friend about what I did and showed it to, because she didn't understand what I was saying, and I showed her. She was like, oh my goodness, I wish I'd have thought of something like that. So, you know, I got it done, and my baby was so happy to see his room, and I'm so happy that I was able to just give him this so he can have his own personal space, so he don't feel like he's left out or anything like that. So this was a blessing in disguise. And, you know, his mom is very creative. So I try to go to the moon and back for my babies. But, oh, my God, I'm getting tear out of y'all. So I'm going to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And once again, because we're on the road to 10,000, I appreciate you guys so much. We hit 8,000 on the dot today. I love you all, and I will see you all in the next one. You queens and kings continue to be royal, and remember, your crown may tilt, baby, but the damn show ain't gonna fall. Bye bye.